Welcome to the portrait workshop by Shiny Colors Fine Art Classes. This is Rashmi Soni and today we are understanding lips. Many people are asking me what is the difference between workshop and the regular class. In the workshop you will understand a lot of concepts at once and you will get confidence and you will get rid out of this fear that you can't do it. And at the same time, in the regular class, you will understand those concepts gradually and in more elaborate way. And you will practice those concepts under the guidance also. So both are important, workshop as well as the regular class. And I'm getting a lot of messages about this workshop that people are getting benefit. So thank you so much for your response. And today is day 6 and we are understanding about the lips. So let's begin. So let's understand the structure of the lips first. So these are the front plane of the upper lip, the side planes, right and left planes. The lower lip has the similar plane, front and side planes. The middle part of the upper lip is cushion kind of thing, round. And if we turn the face, we can see the front plane will look same, but the side planes will change. You can see the left plane is looking quite small and the right plane is becoming little big. Similar way on the bottom lip. Now see, if we turn the lip little more, how we can see the lip. So being round, we can see the roundness of the lip and we cannot see the left side plane. We can see the front, both the front plane, but we cannot see the left plane. And the lower lip will also look little round. Now as we understand the perspective of the lips, let's draw one. So I'm drawing front face lips. So let's make the front planes and the side plane. And the lower lip. Like on the bottom of the lower lip, there is a cast shadow that is there, so I made the shape there. Now the filtral column, and we have to give a one wash for making the two-tone drawing first. So what is a two-tone drawing? Basically we have to decide the shape of our forms. So we do two-tone drawing just to see how the light is falling on our forms and how we can decide the shadow area. So this is the two-tone drawing and you can see I left the light area and I have just give wash on the shaded area where the shade is there. So now this is the two-tone drawing and I am making a little surrounding area of the lips also. And now we have to defining the shape. Upper lip is being round, has clearly shown the terminator in the middle, so that is also we have to make. And lower lip is casting shadow on the bottom of the lips, so we have to make that cast shadow. And upper lip is also casting shadow on the lower lip, so that also we have to make. And slowly we are giving the washes and defining the shape, defining the values. I'm just separating the two lips so that you can see how the lower lip is getting shadow um, from the upper lip, and lower lip is having a shine on the reflection of the light, so we have to leave that white part also. Those lines are there. So basically when you shade the lower lip, try to shade on the vertical line, because we are having the vertical lines on the lower lip. So those lines will give you very nice and round effect on your lip. When you give wash, your hand should be very light. I'm using HB pencil, but my hand is very light, so my shades, my washes are coming very smooth and soft. Slowly we have to give the tones. And as I told you earlier also, I am making the surrounding part also of the lip, so that we can see the relationship, how the lips are coming from the skin, and the edges of the lips are very soft, so we should not make any outline kind of thing. We have to maintain that softness of the lips, and the relation between the skin, I mean between the cheeks, between the chin, and between the uh, cupid part, where the lips are coming. So give the washes softly and see how well the shape is coming. And we have to make a little more dark the cast shadow. As we make the shadow dark, see how the lips are getting shape and popping up, basically, I can say. The smiley dot around both the lips. As the light is falling from the, you can see the left area of the cheeks are more dark, and on the lips also, left area is very dark and right area is getting light. So the nose is also there. The nose is also casting shadow on that cheek area. But as the nose is not there, so I am not making the shadow so dark. I am just making the part darker so that we can see the light effect on the right side, basically. So I'm making the cast shadow more dark, bottom of the lips, and you can see the right side of the lower lip also. The edges are quite soft, so we have to maintain that. Now the left side outline I have done very nicely, very softly on the lower lip. You can clearly see there is no outline kind of thing. We should not make any outline kind of thing. And on the lower lip also there is some terminator on the left side, basically, you can see. So we have to make that also dark. And now you can see with that surrounding area how well the lips came. and looking nice connection with the skin. So if I make only lip, that thing will not possible because we have background to show that softness. I'm making the cast shadow little more dark. As I'll make the cast shadow more dark, you can see the lips are getting more three-dimensional shape. And as I'm making the shadows darker, you can see the light, the reflected light is getting more bright. Here the terminator, we have to little do more dark on the lower lip. So we have to do the cast shadow little more dark. See, so I have defined the line, defined the outline on both sides. Right side is little dark, where you can see lip is dark, but the out of the lip area is light. And here you can see on the left side, the lip is dark and outside of the lip is light. So we have to define that area nicely and softly, and you can see how well it has come. The edges are so soft, there is no hard edge, and at the same time shadows are dark, and you can see the reflected light is also nice and bright on the lower lip, and a little bit on the cupid bow area. You can see that is shining on the upper lip. And now just define the outline between two lips, so that they both look separate, and at the same time you can see the shadow and light is correctly played very well. And you can see uh, on the upper lip, you can see the front plane is shining and light, and side plane, both left and right, is dark, and little bit reflected light coming on the left side of the upper lip, little bit shining, because it has to define that from the cast shadow that is there on the lower lip. See how well the lip came so beautifully. So if you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, your friends might like it too. Help me out and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time, friends.